Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the stock selection we have selected by yesterday, and that is a stock which we are going to select it based on the higher high, which we are going to use for swing trading and scalping trading. So that we are going to use how to use the scalping trading strategy with 3 consecutive higher high bars that we are going to discuss on this video right now. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. Okay, yesterday we discussed about some stocks like Reliance and some other stocks. We focused VEDL for a buying opportunity, but today what happened in VEDL, that was giving you some good negative trade, and it broken that level and it coming down to 4 rupees, but still it is a positional trade. We are expecting 3 consecutive higher high. If it is forms, there is a good chances of making profit on that particular trades. That is what the thing which I am going to focus in this video right now. So yesterday we did some stocks, VETL, Chola Finance and MGL. The stocks are not moving well on upside, but instead of that, in Chola Finance, if it is breaks below the level around 758 and it is giving you some huge benefit, almost 20 rupees down by scalping trade by using that 3 consecutive higher high. And also the another confirmations, it opening by open high today gives you some good opportunity. And another one, Chola Finance, that gives you good profit. VETL and MGL are the stock which we are going to focus today, right? So that is MGL also. It not broken the first 15 minutes high and it broken the low, may have the chances it may be coming down on positional basis. And it's about a result today. Maybe we stick. There is an entry point got triggered and minimum movement. Then it closed with the mean price, right? And today the pattern which is present on some stocks, that I'm going to finding out based on the charting. So that I'm going to discuss this. These are the stocks which I'm going to focus for a tomorrow's trade. And some trades on the today's live session we have taken. First one, Britannia, it's not performed well. And if Britannia, where we are going to focus in our trade strategy, if we go for that, it's forming a 3 consecutive higher high bars, 1 2 3, but today it's a big gap up. And if it is continues the momentum, if it is breaks above 4191, tomorrow we can focus. And another opportunity, we find out an Amar Raja batteries, the same kind of pattern which is present on Amar Raja batteries. So these are the stocks which we are going to focus tomorrow on daily time frame in Amar Raja batteries. 3 consecutive higher high candles form, one, next gap up, and today. And today's in a live market we find out some trades. Amar Raja batteries from 33 and it went up to maximum of 38.75. So almost 5 rupees we find out the movement in Amar Raja batteries. That is giving you some good opportunities on today's trade. And on Adani Enterprise also we are tracking today. At this point 181 is the entry point, and it went up to 219, somewhere around near about 40 points, nearby 40 points it moved higher. We are taken the risk of 32 points, but with that risk and reward got triggered 1:1. And now it is closed and we find out some positional opportunity at this top of 212. It got triggered, then it closed it lower, but it is not for an intraday. It's about a positional trade, and we are focusing some other stocks for an entry, but today we don't got any entry. And Adani Enterprises, Amar Raja batteries, that moved well. And even VETL also we booked a profit in the morning on the live trade. Only one, the Britannia, is not triggering that our entry point. Those stocks which we are going to focus for a tomorrow's trade, that means the day after tomorrow. Tomorrow is the holiday. Day after tomorrow, Britannia, Amar Raja batteries, a lot of stocks which forms almost some 15 18 stocks that got the entry such a way. One is Amar Raja batteries, Tucson copper, in copper, same one which is forming such a pattern. We are going to find out. Let's look at that. So 1 2 3 consecutive higher high bars which is forms, and that may it continues the trend. If it is breaks above 114 tomorrow, would be the best chances for these stocks. May it going tomorrow, and also the result will be going to announce on 11th November. This is what on a stock which is forming a such a nice pattern, keep on going higher and higher, 3 consecutive higher bars in Hindustan Copper. Sale that we are focusing 3 days back, sale, and also it is coming on the BTST scanner. Today it moved well and it is the right now price is 87.35. 3 consecutive higher high bars. Even if it is breaks above 87.4, we can focus the stop loss below 83.5. And Jindal Steel also today moved well and it is also forming a same pattern. Let's look at that 1, 2, 3 consecutive higher high bars and previous consecutive higher high bars looks like this, and 472, 494, right now 496 the high. Even if it is continues the trend, if it is crossed above 496. These are the list of stocks which I am telling you one by one, and AB Capital that we have done the trade and still it's keep on going higher. Let's look at that how nice it is. 1, 2, 3 consecutive bars. Now it is at the top of 130. It is crashed tomorrow. The next trading session would be the best opportunity. And again, SBIN today, which forms a pattern 1, 2, 3, but it was forming a spinning top at the top while after making it gap up. Today, after opening, it is coming down only. So there is a two chances. Maybe it continues the trend if it does break the high, or it can reverse back from the trade if it does breaks below the low and it try to fill up the gaps. So the gap between that today and yesterday, 607 to 596, almost 11 rupees is the gap. It's having ability to move and coming. Adani Enterprise. The next one is Adani Enterprise. Forms as such a pattern. 1, 2, 3. Already it moving well. Today also it performed well and it is under our scanner. May have the chances it may be going up tomorrow. If it is breaks above 4017. In City Union Bank, what are the stocks which we have seen in the early morning for entry opportunity? 1, 2, 3. May it crossed above 200. We can see that. In IDFC, that is also we are seeing in the early morning. That stocks performed well. 1, 2, 3, perfect. If it is breaks above that level, we can focus for the trade opportunity. It continues the uptrend. And Stiram Transport SRT, that is also be the stock which forms a 3 consecutive higher high. And let's look at that after making the doji, it was forming a such a pattern, and now we have the chances it maybe continues the trend once it is break 1294. And then Tata Steel also be there in the list, means 1, 2, 3 consecutive. Now it is about 107.5. And Dalmia Bharat UPL Limited, UPL, that is also forming such a pattern 1, 2, 3. It's a nice pattern we find out by based on the scanners and screeners that will helping you to take a trade. And the JSW Steel that already given you entry 3-4 days back based on 1, 2, 3 consecutive higher candle. Once it is break 683, now 710, and tomorrow straight 715 above, we are going to focus Tata Communication and Reliance. These are the stock almost 17 18 stocks. Tata Communications are the stock which comes under the scanner. Tata Communications, look at it, 1, 2, 3. It's about a spinning top at the top, may have the chances continues the trend. Once it is break the high, it may be going to fall if it is breaks below. There is a both the chances are possible on this those stocks. And finally Reliance, yesterday we have seen Reliance 2, and Reliance that breaks today's high of 2600 and it closed by 2606 and it made a high of 2608. So these are all the stocks we filtered based on this charting scanner that may be useful for your intraday and even a positional trade that I'm discussing here, the scalping trading strategy using charting scanner that may be useful for your intraday and position, right? I hope you have understood what are the stocks we are going to focus. That may be the good opportunity where we are going to find out as a trade by tomorrow. So let me try to find out those stocks which is going to trigger an any entry opportunity. So those stocks we can use for a trading opportunity. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. And tomorrow we have holiday on Wednesday, and we can go for the Wednesday. We will be in a live. You can join my live session, get more update. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. These are the stocks selected for tomorrow. That means Wednesday trading. Thank you. Thank you for being with me. Thank you so much.